If your shifting linkage, when you go to put it into drive, just flops back and forth with no resistance, you probably had a plastic part disintegrate in the shifting cable. And there's one part up in the console and another plastic part down by the transmission. And in my case, it was the one up by the console. And I didn't feel like replacing the whole cable. So as a temporary fix, you can go and take your shifting handle off your shifter with a little torque bit here, and you have to put like your parking brake on, and then shift it all the way down to like first, so you can get around the part will be facing towards the windshield. So to get to it, you just put it all the way down to first, and then you can get around to the front side here, and you've got just the one little nut here to loosen, and then this whole handle will slide off and expose like a metal tube with a piece of plastic tube sticking out of it. That's where you actually press down to unlock and shift the shifter. And the actual plastic part. Well, here in the console, there's three. Flip it over. There's three type of tabs you have to pry open. I think there's one there, and it's missing. Mine's missing the metal clip. I think that's one. Anyways, there's three of them, and this just pops out. Yeah, one up there. I think that's one there. That's one here. One over here. All right, down inside here, there's the metal. When you take the handle off, you'll just have the metal rod, and the little plastic one inside, you press down to shift it. And the culprit here, trying to get a good view of it. There it is. Right here. Now you can see you've got a metal rod kind of that sticks out here, and then here's the actual end of your shifting cable, and this just presses in and press fits over this metal rod that sticks out. And what's happened here, you can see just small part left of the plastic piece. This actually comes out almost to here, and this is like brittle plastic that's yellow and just crumbled. And then the whole shifting cable here will just pop out, and then it won't shift into gear. So a temporary fix, I did got a Dorman part. Dorman part 14055. You can see him here. I think it's this one that I put on, and the reviews are not great. A lot of people having problems with it, and even when I put mine on, it was a real sloppy fit. It just kind of wobbles and wiggles back and forth, and it doesn't seem like it's going to stay on. But I used it, and I've been using it for about 2 months now, and it hasn't popped off. Really like to figure out some other way with like a little circlip or something to hold it on, but so far it's worked. So anyways, you can try using that as a temporary permanent fix, depending on how lazy you are. So all I did is take that Dorman part and pop it inside. This is like circular here. Pop it right inside there, and then just pop it over the metal rod here. It'd be nice, like I said, if there's like a little circlip to pop in there, and there's probably some different combination you could use. But I just popped that Dorman part in there, and it was real sloppy. And it looks like it would, it'll pop out laterally. Because I bought one of those bushing kits for like 19 bucks that you press fit in. Has a little plastic tool to press fit in a similar plastic piece, and I got it in there. It was real hard to get in, and then when I clicked this whole part onto the metal rod, it wouldn't stay on there. As soon as you start shifting it would just pop out laterally this way. and it just, this piece of crap didn't work. So I just, threw the Dorman part in there and just tested it out and see if it worked. So it did. In my case, your mileage may vary.